We are done with multiplication of rational algebraic expressions. So the next topic is all about division of rational algebraic expressions. More or less, parehas rin sila sa division, ang division sa multiplication, naray usa ka step nga dili sila parehas. So let us have our step-by-step process. So how are we going to divide rational algebraic expression? First step, you are going to rewrite the division as the product of the first rational expression and the reciprocal of the second. So, unsay but pasabot ana? But pasabot ana sayon ra kayo class. Unsaon di ay imo ra i-flip. Unsa nang flip? Imo ibalik taron. Flip. Flip the expression after the division symbol, or you simply flip the divisor. Unsa nang flip? Meaning to say, ang denominator mahimo ng numerator. Ang numerator mahimo ng denominator. And then you follow your steps in multiplication of rational algebraic expression. So let us have example number 1. So sa example number 1, we have 10n over 9 divided by 13n squared over 16. So what is our dividend here? This is actually our dividend. Kanang expression nga imuhang diviron, mo na siya ang dividend. This is our divisor. Ang kanang mo divide. Next na siya sa division symbol. So, unsaon na siya nimo? Imo ra na i-flip. So, unsaon pag-flip class? So, isuwat nimo na. For example, sa ating mga given, 10n over 9. Then, you change your division to multiplication. Unya, imo na i-flip class. I-flip. I-flip ni mo, ana, ang numerator mahimong denominator. Ang denominator mahimong numerator. So, unsa man yung denominator? 16. So, 16 naman siya sa ubos. Imo na ibalhin sa ibabaw. Unya, ang numerator 13n squared. Naman na siya sa ibabaw. Imo ibubos. So, 13n squared. So, human na kag-flip. Kahuman, imo dayon i-follow ang steps sa multiplication. So, unsa man to'y una? Imong i-factor ang numerator o ang denominator. So, unsa may factor sa 10n? That is 5 times 2 times n. Over factor sa 9, that is 3 times 3. Next, times factor sa 16, that is 4 times 4. Then, factor sa 13, that is, cannot be factored kay prime man, so 13 times n times n. And then, you are going to factor out or cancel out the terms na parehas. Parehas ang numerator, parehas sa denominator. So, usa sa numerator, usa sa denominator. So, you have n. Asa pa? O, wala na, no? Napailain ma-factor, ana. So, wala na. So, unsa may nabilin? Kanang nabilin, mga na siya bali ang imuhang answer. So, unsay nabilin sa numerator? You have 5 times 2. Then, you have here 16. Then, you have here 9. And then, you have here 13. So, you have 5 times 2, 10 times 16. All over 9 times 13. So, what is 10 times 16? That is 160. And then, 9 times 13, that is 9 times 13. What is 9 times 13? You have 3 times 9, that is 27. So, 9 times 13 is actually 117. Ma-factor pa ba si 160 o 117 na ba sila'y common factor? Wala. So, this is now our final answer. Ang utana. Kung wala'y pangutana, let us proceed to example number 2. So, example number 2, you have 16n over 17 divided by 8n over 6. So, unsa gay mong buhaton? Imong i-flip, no? Imuhang i-flip ang divisor. So, this now becomes 16n over 17. Instead of division, mahimong multiplication. Then, imo i-flip ang numerator, mahimong denominator. Ang denominator, mahimong numerator. So, 6 over 8n. And then, you follow the steps in multiplying rational algebraic expression. Ang samto una, imo i-factor ang numerator so ang denominator. So, factor of 16, that is 8 times 2n. Factor of 7, wala, kay prime. Copy. Then, 6 is 2 times 3. Then, 8n is 8 times n. Then, you are going to cancel out common. So, unsa man ang common? You have 8 sa numerator, 8 sa denominator. Dapat mag-pair ang numerator o ang denominator. You also have n in the numerator and n in the denominator. Napa bay common? I think wala na. So, ato ang i-circle ang mga nabilin. So, unsa may nabilin dire? So, you have 2 and 7. You also have 2 times 3, which is 6. Therefore, our answer is 2 times 2 times 3 over 7. So, our final answer will be 2 times 2 is 4 times 3, that is 12. Then, copy 7. Ma-factor pa ba si 12 ug 7? Ba sila common? Wala. So, kay wala man, this is now our final answer.